So these are the Roco TT scale Deutsche Bundesbahn suburban coaches in traffic red livery. They couple up beautifully. They've got NEM coupler pockets with kinematics, so they'll go around tight corners. I've fitted them with the lighting kits. So the history of these coaches, they were originally developed by Kuhn, who Roco bought in 2023. Roco have now brought out the lighting kits that Kuhn designed for them. So I thought, let's have a look at them. They're digital light kits. They will run on analog. So I've set them to address 99 and function 1 turns on the main lights. And you've got an option here, function 2, that dims them. So they're quite bright, but I do like that. So you can actually see everything inside, and they're beautifully detailed inside these coaches. 2 second classes and a first class there with some compartments. So I just thought it was a nice addition, something a little bit different in TT scale, because interior lighting so far hasn't really been covered by anyone. So the real beauty of these kits being designed for the coaches already have pickups built in, and they're pinpoint bearing pickups, so they don't put excessive drag on the axles, which is nice. They're really nice and free rolling. Means it also picks up from all wheels. Again, that helps. So it just keeps it really nice and smooth within the carriage. I've turned the lights down in the room so we can see everything even clearer. That's the full intensity on function 1, and then the reduced intensity on function 2. There we are.